G'day guys, my name is Deadman and today we need to fix up our Traxxas transmission case. The reason being is because I didn't research it enough. I just went by Traxxas' standard one full turn and I tend to burn a hole through due to not adjusting the slipper clutch properly. As you can see, I've taken everything out and it's my first mistake. It was quite expensive, but it's still a mistake nonetheless. So we need to replace it and upgrade it at the same time. So we have our RPM black trans case. I melted one of the washers. It was second hand, so it may have been like that already, but as you can see it's not in too good a shape. So it's only an XL5 with the Valenian system in it. So we also have the white lithium grease. Alright, we have instructions. We have one side of the trans case and the second side, of course, and our metal motor mounting bracket. Apparently it's better for heat distribution, which is good for me. And we have the two sets of the what do you call it? A-arm supports. One's 3 degrees and one's 0 degrees, I believe. I'm not sure what the difference is in them. We also have nuts and bolts for some of it because they wanted to include it, I guess. The original has the A-arm supports already on it, so obviously we need to mount them onto it. How many stickers did we get with this? 2 stickers. It's definitely not going on the current body because the current body is a little rubbish at the moment. So now we'll put on the music from TechnoX, speed it up, and I'll watch my YouTube video and get started on the construction. As you can see, all the parts have been cleaned for the gearbox. Okay, we finally have the trans case assembled. Now we've just got to put on these. We have the 3 degree and the 0 degree A-arm supports. They obviously go on this side, seated just underneath. We use, as you can see, they're already molded on these ones. We use these 2 screws for it that RPM gave us, as well as 2 of the old ones if I can find them. There we go. This will hold it to the chassis and also the trans case. So one goes on each side, both, and we put a nut on each one as well. So that's basically it. We've got it all together